Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are reviewing the ULTIMEA 5.1CH surround soundbar with subwoofer, the Poseidon M60 2025 model. This is a Dolby Atmos powered home theater system that promises immersive surround sound with powerful bass and smart features. Before we dive in, make sure to check the link in the description below to grab this system today at the best discounted price available online, because deals like this don't last long. Design and build. The Poseidon M60 looks sleek and modern with a premium finish that blends into any living room setup. The package includes the main soundbar, a dedicated subwoofer, and surround speakers, giving you a true 5.1-channel home theater experience. Sound performance. Now let's talk about the star of the show, Dolby Atmos. This technology takes your audio experience to the next level by creating a three-dimensional sound field. Whether you're watching movies, gaming, or streaming music, the M60 delivers cinematic surround sound that feels like you're right in the middle of the action. With BassMX technology, you get deep, thumping bass that shakes the room, while VoiceMX enhances dialogue clarity so you never miss a word during movies or TV shows. Add the 300 watts of power, and this system easily fills medium to large rooms with immersive sound. Smart features and connectivity. The Poseidon M60 is more than just raw power, it's smart too. You can control it via the ULTIMEA mobile app, making it super convenient to adjust EQ settings, sound modes, and more. It also features Bluetooth 5.4 for seamless wireless streaming from your phone or tablet, along with HDMI, Optical, and USB connections for your TV and other devices. Pros and cons. White check mark emoji, pros. True 5.1CH surround sound with Dolby Atmos. 300 watts power output with strong bass from subwoofer. BassMX and VoiceMX tech for balanced audio performance. Bluetooth 5.4 plus app control for convenience. Great value for a full home theater system. Warning emoji, cons. Setup takes a bit longer than 2.1 soundbars. Best performance when paired with compatible TVs and content. Final verdict. The ULTIMEA Poseidon M60 2025 model is one of the best budget-friendly Dolby Atmos surround sound systems you can get this year. With true 5.1 channels, powerful bass, and smart features like app control, it transforms your TV setup into a full-blown home theater. Right pointing finger emoji. If you're ready to elevate your movie nights and gaming sessions, hit the link in the description below to grab the Poseidon M60 at the best discounted price today before it sells out.